Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove watermark from video or image for free. Okay, let's get into it guys. First thing first, you need to go to your browser and then you have to search for this website, anyeraser.media.io. And after you have found this website, you can open this website and we're going to use this website to remove watermark from our video or from our image. And don't forget to log into this website to use the AI tool to remove the watermark from your video or your image. Okay, and I'm going to upload my video. I'm going to pick this video. For example, I'm going to remove the watermark from this video. Okay, and if we want to remove it, we just need to draw on the watermark like this. Okay, and after that, you can click on remove objects now. Okay, and just wait for a moment until the process completed. You have to wait until 100% guys. And it depends on the video duration and also the size of the video. Okay, and now it's done guys, and as you can see that the watermark has been removed from my video. And if we want to download the video, we just need to click on download and the video will be saved to our device. Alright guys, and that's all the way to remove watermark from photo or video for free. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.